Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. If you're having this issue where of course your screen is extremely magnified and you do not know how or what to do to escape it, this tutorial is for you. Alright, so you have several options. The first one, guys, if you're having this issue where everything is magnified out of normal. Alright, so first of all, guys, let me try to show you my keyboard. Go ahead and find the Windows key, which is the Windows symbol, and your escape key. So you're gonna find Windows key and escape key. Mine is right here. So press both. And of course, once you hit Windows key and escape key, it will end. All right. I'm going to show you again another way you can actually end the magnification. All right. So another thing you could do in case you can't find the keys or you want another alternative, pan around on screen by moving to the sides. Look out for this magnifier control mechanism. What you want to do is go ahead and you can close this out. Once you do, the screen will return to normal. All right, so that was caused by the magnifier, and the magnifier allows you to magnify what's on screen. So in case you did not activate that and it came on, or you saw your laptop in that way, all right. All right, guys, and let me explain how this probably could have happened without you causing it or intentionally causing it. If you go ahead and find your Windows key plus the plus button, which is right beside my backspace, which is the symbol for plus, should be on the same button with equal. Go ahead and press the Windows key and plus together. All right, so there you go. So what does happen in most cases? Either you turn on the effect by pressing the right key combination of Windows key plus plus, and as a result of doing that, that's why you ended up with the magnification. And if you do not realize what you have done, you might be moving around and not noticing some of the things. So to close it, I'm going to hit close. All right, so it's Windows key and plus all together, and it will activate that effect. So just in case, most likely that's what happened. Or of course, through settings panel, it can also be turned on. So let me show you that last way that it could also be turned on. If you go here, go to accessibility on the magnifier right there, you'll see it here. So if you maximize, if you turn it on from here, it will be turned on again. Let me turn it off once more. And of course, there you go. So that's how it might have been turned on too, but most likely through the shortcut method by a child, you yourself, or a pet. All right, so that was useful, guys, and see you the next one. Bye.